Friends, if you're planning to buy a premium quality water purifier that doesn't just clean water but also makes it safe, healthy and reliable for long-term use, then you're watching the right video. Today's market is filled with options like RO, UV, UF, copper, mineral and alkaline purifiers. And for a normal buyer, this can get extremely confusing. Which purifier actually delivers real performance? And which one is simply overpriced because of marketing features? To clear this confusion, in today's video, we'll break down the top 5 water purifiers around 20,000 rupees based on build quality, filtration performance, maintenance cost, and real-life usability. So stay with us till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll clearly know which water purifier is best suited for your home. At number 5, we have the Aquaguard Ritz Water Purifier, which comes with a very premium build quality. The biggest highlight here is its stainless steel storage tank, which is much more hygienic and long-lasting compared to regular plastic tanks. Inside, you get RO plus UV plus active copper technology with 9-stage purification, so your water is purified at a deep level. This purifier works well with borewell, tanker and municipal water, and it can also handle high TDS water efficiently. Another good thing is the up to 60% water saving feature. So compared to traditional RO systems, it wastes less water. Design-wise, it has a very sleek and premium look, which enhances your kitchen appearance. You also get decent storage capacity, and thanks to copper infusion, you get some added health benefits. Talking about pricing, you can get this around 17,000 rupees, and AMC may cost around 4,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees per year. It comes with a 1-year warranty, which is decent. At number 4, we have the Pureit Copper Water Purifier. This comes with an 8-liter storage capacity and offers RO, UV, MF, copper, and mineral technology with 7-stage purification. So basically, it not only purifies your water, but also retains essential minerals and adds copper benefits. It has a purification capacity of up to 24 liters per hour, which is quite impressive. This purifier is suitable for borewell, tanker, and municipal water, so you don't have to worry about your water source. You also get both tabletop and wall mount installation options, which gives flexibility. Design comes in a black and copper finish, which looks quite premium. Talking about price, it is available around 21,000 rupees, and AMC costs around 5,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees per year. You also get a 1-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Atomberg Interlon Water Purifier, which is known as India's first adaptive water purifier. It comes with RO plus UF plus UV plus alkalizer technology with 7-stage purification, so it ensures deep cleaning while retaining minerals. The most unique feature here is TDS-based adaptive filtration, which means the purifier automatically adjusts purification based on your water quality. You also get 4 different modes, so you can control purification as per your needs. Plus, this is a smart IoT purifier, so you can monitor and control it through a mobile app. It comes with an 8-liter storage capacity, which is enough for a normal family. But the biggest advantage is you get 2 years zero maintenance cost and 2 years warranty, which saves a lot in the long term. Price is around 18,000 rupees, and overall, it's a great future-ready smart option. At number 2, we have the A.O. Smith Z2 Plus Lux RO Water Purifier, which is an under-sink purifier. That means it is installed below your kitchen counter and only the faucet is visible on top, giving your kitchen a very clean and premium look. It offers a 7-stage advanced purification system along with copper enrichment technology. One of the biggest highlights is its 2 times water-saving technology, which reduces water wastage significantly. Design-wise, it has a nature-inspired premium look, perfect for modern modular kitchens. This is mostly a direct purification system, so storage depends on the setup. Price is around 23,000 rupees, and AMC can cost around 5,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees per year. Yes, it is slightly premium, but if you want a high-end setup with low water waste, this is a solid choice. At number 1, we have the Native M2 Pro Smart Water Purifier by Urban Company. This comes with RO plus UV plus copper plus alkaline technology and offers 10-stage purification, so it not only purifies water but also makes it healthy and mineral rich. You also get an inbuilt power backup, so even during power cuts, you can use the purifier. Another premium feature is real-time water quality tracking, so you can monitor purity anytime. It comes with an 8-liter storage capacity, which is sufficient for most families. But the biggest highlight is no AMC, no hidden maintenance cost. You get 2 years zero service cost and 2 years unconditional warranty, which gives complete peace of mind. Price is around 18,000 rupees, and considering the features, this is a complete value for money smart purifier. Friends, all the direct buying links for these water purifiers are available in the description below, where you can check the latest price, installation details, and available variants. If you're still confused or want a personal recommendation based on your home's water TDS, drop a comment. I personally reply to each one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Best Picks India. Because here, we don't just show products, we help you make smart buying decisions. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.